To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. You could try to unscrew these push clips, but any real pressure will cause the screws to collapse back down. We found the easiest method to be to apply some upward pressure, then unscrew it with your fingers. Then just lift the base off. Lift the cowling. Unclip and remove the frame cover. Clean out any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1098 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Secure the clip by threading the base and then reinstalling the screw. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.